So here's how to complete offer tasks on Sprout Gigs. It's pretty simple and easy to do, but make sure to watch the full video so that you don't miss out on any of the important steps. So first, what you need to do is open the micro jobs page. Now here you can see that there are many offer tasks here. I'm randomly picking an offer task just to explain you the main steps. Okay, so I'm clicking on this one. Now after clicking on the offer task that you want to do, now what you need to do is to scroll down, and here you can see what is expected from workers. Read all this, and after completing all these steps, you have to submit these proofs down below. The details or guidelines regarding the proofs are mentioned here too. After submitting all these proofs, click on this Submit Proofs button. So in this way, you can complete any offer task on Sprout Gigs using the same main procedure for any offer task that you want to complete. Now you'll just have to wait for it to get approved. Once it's approved, you'll earn this amount of money, and it will be showcased here into the Earned section. Remember that this main procedure is same for any type of task on Sprout Gigs. Either it is an offer task or not.